This is the Advanced Ad ROI Calculator. Before we get started, I would like to recommend that when you get your copy, you name it something like Advanced Ad ROI Calculator _ blank. And then, when you want to use it to track an ad, you save as Advanced ROI Calculator _ USW _AD _7 or something like that, so you know what ad you were using the calculator on. What is the point of this tool? It's designed to help you get a quick understanding of how an ad is performing. It's simple to use in that most of the cells you fill in are cumulative numbers, so you just need to copy what AMS is telling you about the ad. You can enter data more than once in a day. So, if you're excited and you check your ads 7 times, you can enter the updates 7 times and know up to the minute how the ad is doing. Or, if you start an ad and wait for a few days, you can enter complete days worth of data to get your current results and then do more frequent updates if you want to. I know I love watching ads perform, but I'm weird. Here is the most awesome part. When you know your read-through revenue for both sales and page reads, which is something we'll be teaching you how to do in the course, you'll be able to get both ROI and projected ROI. And you can factor in historical results from other ads to better determine the benefit from the ad you are studying. Or you could use it on multiple ads. That would require adding a few bits of numbers together before you enter the data, but the point is the calculator can be used many ways. Let's go through the calculator. 1. KU page read rate. Just enter the rate, but be sure to enter it correctly. If you leave out one of the zeros after the decimal, it will make it look like you're making 10 times as much as you really are from the page reads. I entered 0.0042. 2. KENPC number. Enter this here. 3. Net revenue per sale. This is the amount you earn if you sell a copy of your book. 4. 15-day average Kindle sales. This is the average number of units you've sold the previous 15 days. Note, this is not, quote, I average about 1 per day. No. This is, I average 0.73 of 1 sale per day. Accuracy is hugely important here. Seriously, do the math. 5. 15-day average KU page reads, just like the sales. 6. Read-through revenue per sale. If you don't know how to calculate this, then estimate. We'll be covering this math during the course. 7. Read-through revenue per download. Just like number 6, we'll teach you how to get this number in a future lecture. Now let's look at the data entry rows. 1. Total page reads. This is the number of page reads that your KDP report is reporting at the moment that you enter the data. So, as an example, if earlier in the day you had 100 page reads and now you have 120, this time you enter 120. The tool knows to ignore the previous entries from the same day when doing the math. It always uses the most current result. 2. Total cumulative KDP sales. This is why the tool is awesome. If the ad you're watching started to deliver impressions on Monday at 2 o'clock, then from that point forward, you would enter the cumulative paid sales. This means this number will usually increase unless you have a return, meaning if you have a sale on day 1 and a sale on day 2 and 0 on day 3, you are still entering a 2 on day 3. 3. Total cumulative impressions. Just read the total impressions from your AMS report. 4. Total cumulative clicks. Same thing. 5. Total cumulative spend. Same as the previous 2. It's so easy. Then you hit the timestamp button. It's like magic. I see 2 major questions that are possibilities. 1. What if I want to use the tool on an ad that has been running for a couple of days? do steps 1 through 5 and hit the timestamp. Then click into the cell in row 7 above the data you just entered and manually change the date back to the first day the ad ran. Don't worry about changing the time. Then repeat until you're up to the current date. 2. What if I went to bed and more clicks, impressions, page reads, spend, and sales came in, but now it's a new day? The easiest thing to do is just edit your last entry with the new data. In truth, the only thing you really needed to edit was the final page read number for the day. You can leave all the others because those impressions, clicks, spend, and sales are entered as cumulative, and you can just do the new entry and hit the timestamp. So, you say you'd like some help calculating your 15-day sales and page reads? For sales, use the ebook royalty tab. 1. Copy all the way through column P as in Paul. 2. Go to 15-day calculator sales. 3. Click into cell F as in Frank 1. It's green. And paste. 4. Hit process. 5. Find the book you are studying with the ad and read the 15-day average. For page reads, it's the same, but you use the KENP Read tab and only need to copy through column F.